Ford celebrates the 50th anniversary of one of the most badass Mustangs of all time with this, the 2019 Mustang Bullitt. Now, like the hero car of the 1968 film of the same name, the 2019 Mustang Bullitt is based on a GT Fastback with the V8 and is available in this dark Highland green paint with black interior and matching green stitching. You can also get it in shadow black, but come on, that's definitely not in the spirit of Bullitt, is it? Now, it also pays homage in other ways, including a cue ball shifter on the interior and a mostly debadged design that doesn't have any badges on the outside to identify it, aside from a faux gas cap on the back with the Bullitt logo. Now, I'm told that it's available only with a manual transmission, yes, and that Ford's putting a little something extra in it to make it faster than your average GT. We're talking about 15 ponies worth of extra, bringing it to a total of 475 horsepower and bumping its top speed up to 163 miles per hour. So you're going to want to keep it locked to theroadshow.com for even more dope cars like this as we continue the rest of our coverage of the 2018 Detroit Auto Show.